If you're wondering what the best site is to get great deals on that next flight that you're trying to book, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned to this video. Hey guys, this is Nobu with MakingSenseOfDebt.com, where we discuss understanding finances, leveraging debt, and finding your financial freedom, whatever that looks like to you. In today's video, I'm going to share one website where you can search for flights and find some pretty good deals. I'm going to walk you through exactly step by step how you can do that. But before we get into that, my question for you today is, what is that next trip that you are trying to book? What's that flight deal that you're trying to get? Go ahead and drop that in the comments below. All right, let's get into it. All right, so the site where you can look for deals is through Google Flights. And the great thing about Google Flights is you can actually look across multiple airlines. It's not airline specific. Let's go ahead and let's look up a flight, let's say from Boston to, let's go to the Dominican Republic. Santo Domingo, Las Americas. Okay. So then let's go ahead and pick a flight. When you are doing this, you kind of get a preview of what the flights look like. We have June 4th through June 8th. We can actually extend that a little bit. I like this 316. Let's see what this is doing. So let's say June 11th, and let's have a return date. So you can see if you do June 17th as your return date, and this gives you a flight total of 328, you're going to hit done. And then this is going to show you what those flights are looking like and what those prices are. So that 328 is a really long flight, which is not ideal. What you can also do is hit this price graph over here. And what you're going to see is the higher the line, the more expensive it is. And what Google Flights is going to do is search for 6-day trips using those same airports that you picked to show the different prices available. So if we keep going, this looks a little bit lower. Okay, so this is 283. This line just looked lower than the line that we had originally. So if we go to this little bar graph and hit that, and then hit OK, this will show us what the actual flights are that are showing this 283 price. So again, this is another 9-hour flight, which may or may not be ideal. For me, that's a little bit too long, but if you want a really cheap ticket, sometimes you have to sacrifice. This is just a way for you to look at different flight options across different air carriers. This also works for international trips as well. I just like that I can look at this price graph feature and just look across, how cheap can I potentially get this for? Because I'm always trying to save my coins so I can do more with my money. If you're interested in free travel and you want to learn more about how you can get even better deals by using your airline miles, go ahead and watch this next video on how you can do just that. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video as we continue on our journey to financial freedom. Peace.